Welcome to Kishore's Neat Padasala. In this video, we will see the concept of measurement of temperature, which is the first topic of thermal properties of matter chapter. So what is temperature? It is the relative measure or indication of hotness or coldness of a body. So indication of hotness or coldness of a body is temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. With this we everyone know, right? From a 6th class we are learning it. And what are the other units of temperature? It is Celsius and Fahrenheit. These are all the other units of the temperature. Now let us see what is the relation between Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. This is a very important relation that you must remember. C minus 0 divided by 100, that is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100, that is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. If you remember this relation, they will give you a temperature in Kelvin, and they will you ask what is the same temperature in Fahrenheit. So you can equate the equations and you can find easily the temperature. So remember, C minus 0 by 100, that is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100, that is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. And also this is a very important relation that you must remember. Okay, based on this also many times they are asking numericals in my institution. In mock test they used to ask this type of question. Okay, so delta C is equal to, so change in temperature in Celsius scale is equal to change in temperature in Kelvin scale, that is equal to 5/9 of delta F. Okay, so this formula you must remember. Delta C is equal to delta K, that is equal to 5/9 delta F. Now let us work out numerical. What is the temperature at which Celsius and Fahrenheit scale give same temperature? So relation is C minus 0 divided by 100, that is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100, that is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. So Celsius and Fahrenheit you want to equate. So these two you must equate. And in the question they have given that Celsius and Fahrenheit scale are equal. So C is equal to F they have given. So C by 100 is equal to, instead of F I am substituting C because in question they have given it is equal. So C minus 32 divided by 180. So the answer comes out to be minus 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, since C is equal to F, the Fahrenheit is also minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So at minus 40 degrees Celsius or minus 40 degree, see these two are equal. So at this temperature Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal. Now let us work out another numerical. At what temperature Fahrenheit is double that of Celsius? So relation is C minus 0 by 100, that is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100, that is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. So Fahrenheit is double that of Celsius. So F is equal to 2C they have given. So F is equal to 2C, you substitute here. C by 100 is equal to 2C minus 32 divided by 180. So the 2C is equal to C is equal to 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if C is equal to 160 degrees Celsius, then Fahrenheit is 2C in the question they have given, that is 320 degree Fahrenheit. At this temperature Fahrenheit is 2 times the Celsius scale reading. Okay, and this is the another important formula you must remember. Okay, temperature in a scale minus lower fixed point of that scale divided by upper fixed point of that scale minus lower fixed point of that scale is a constant. So suppose in a Celsius scale, okay, let at temperature be C minus lower fixed point in a Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius divided by upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius minus lower fixed point in the scale Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius, that is a constant. Okay, so in this way this is the, like this way you want to apply this formula, and this is a very important formula also. Okay, based on this we will see one numerical. See, suppose on a temperature on scale X. So now like Celsius scale we are assuming a X scale. Water boils at minus 60 degree X. Okay, so and freezes at, so boils at minus 60 degree X means it is the upper fixed point, and freezes means lower fixed point, that is minus 180.5 degree x. What would be the temperature of 350 Kelvin? So in Kelvin scale the temperature is 350 Kelvin. So what is the 350 Kelvin value on x scale they are asking? So x scale, how much it will read for 350 Kelvin they are asking. So I told temperature on one scale minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is constant. So temperature on x scale we want to find, minus lower fixed point on the x scale is minus 60 degree divided by upper fixed point on that x scale is, sorry, see, lower fixed point is minus 180 degree, minus 180 degree point 180.5 degree, minus upper fixed point on that scale is boiling, that is minus 60 degree, minus lower fixed point is minus of 180.5 degree, that is equal to temperature in the Kelvin scale, that is 350 Kelvin, minus lower fixed point on Kelvin scale. So lower fixed point on Kelvin scale is 273.15 divided by upper fixed point on the Kelvin scale is 373.15 minus lower fixed point on Kelvin scale, that is 273.15. so the temperature, so T comes out to be, if you solve, I don't have sufficient time, so just I'm writing the answer. If you solve, the temperature comes out to be 87.9 degree. So 350 Kelvin is equal to minus 87.9 degree in x scale. Okay, I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Pathshala. Thank you.